Welcome back to Auto Luxury 295, your home for timeless classics and legendary drives. Today, we're turning back the clock to showcase an American icon that blended style, economy, and innovation, the 1964 Rambler American 440 Convertible. Exterior. Whether you're a die-hard classic car fan or just love clean, vintage design, you're going to love this one. Let's take a closer look at this drop-top beauty. The 1964 Rambler American 440 Convertible was part of the third generation of the American series, and it came with a whole new look. Clean lines, modest chrome trim, and a boxy but charming silhouette define the design language of the era. The front end features a wide, horizontal grille flanked by round headlights, simple but sharp. This model was shorter and lighter than its full-sized competitors, making it ideal for city cruising and parking in tight spots. Whitewall tires and optional wire wheel covers add an elegant flair to this understated compact car. And of course, the power folding vinyl soft top gives you open-air freedom in just seconds. Interior. Inside, the Rambler American 440 Convertible reflects 1960s practicality with just the right amount of luxury. The bench seats are upholstered in two-tone vinyl, offering room for up to 6 passengers. The dash is classic steel with symmetrical gauges and push-button radio options, all wrapped in chrome bezels. One of the highlights was its factory-installed air conditioning option, rare for a compact convertible in that era. You also got features like a padded dash, courtesy lights, and optional seat belts, things we take for granted now, but ahead of their time in the early 60s. Performance. Under the hood, the 1964 Rambler American 440 could be equipped with a 195.6 cubic inch inline-6 engine, delivering around 125 horsepower. It wasn't a muscle car, but it was efficient, reliable, and perfect for daily driving. Paired with either a 3-speed manual or an optional flash-o-matic automatic transmission, the car offered smooth handling and decent acceleration for its size. Fuel economy was also a major selling point, getting nearly 25 miles per gallon, which made it attractive to budget-conscious drivers during the post-war economy boom. The suspension was soft and forgiving, ideal for cruising on sunny afternoons or winding country roads. The 1964 Rambler American 440 Convertible wasn't built to race, it was built to last. It combined smart engineering, clean American styling, and a touch of open-top fun, making it one of the best compact convertibles of its time. Today, it stands as a symbol of a simpler era, a car for families, students, and weekend warriors. And for collectors, it's a charming piece of Americana that still turns heads 60 years later. Thanks for riding with us here on Auto Luxury 295. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment your favorite classic car down below. We've got more vintage legends coming your way. Street.